In connection with the practice session of digital evaluation class 12 answer books, a reminder has been issued by CBSE regarding the mock evaluation. This is in continuation to the circular 14th February 2026 on the subject cited above. The URL of OSM portal, login ID and password of the evaluators have been emailed on the email ID of the evaluators as has been updated on the IASS portal by the schools. Therefore, all principals are hereby directed to ensure that teachers teaching classes 11 and 12 compulsory login on the OSM portal and complete the practice run before the start of actual OSM evaluation. So the principals should ensure that 11 and 12 teachers compulsory log in the OSM portal and complete the practice session. As of now, teachers are requested to complete evaluation answer books just to make them acquainted with the system, irrespective of the subject of answer book, irrespective of the medium of answer book, or any other issue. So, irrespective of the subject or medium, the teachers should complete the evaluation of the answer book, and the CBSE is monitoring data about completing of the assigned task. So this is issued by Controller of Examinations. Thank you.